this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 78 GMC Jimmy. Thing just runs like a watch. We're going 60. Good. You notice that's kilometers and mile per hour. One probably come from Canada sometime. I tried to cruise, but cruise don't work, which I don't even know if it's all there. But cruise is right down the road good. Next corner here, and then I'll kind of show you the brakes and also go through the transmission shifting. There you can see all the gauges are working. Nice affordable Jimmy that you can go out and have some fun with. Everything seems to work except for the dome light. It runs and drives good. Interior's nice in it. Paint's presentable. Not new by any means. Older paint on it. Power brakes, power steering, power windows, power locks, all that stuff works. Plus the power rear window works well.
LinkedIn.com/Kim to post your job for free. Terms and conditions. So when the Canaries first came to town,
oh, we got a traffic jam here in White, South Dakota today.
Jammed with people. The radio station that was carrying the Canaries had one of their announcers, a new guy who just moved to town, leave the audience in.
You see, got good oil pressure when it idles.
And I'll never forget that because that guy was me. I'm Jeff Gould, and that's my Canary story.
Make your Canaries memory this summer.
Like I said, we'll take off here and shift through the gears. Now the traffic finally went by.
Becoming partly mostly cloudy as we head into the night with a chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a low of 60 in the 70s, 25 to 10 miles per hour. Some showers and warm on Monday, then drier after.
First to second. Second to third, nice solid shifts. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.